Hey everybody, welcome back to another lovely video. Today I'm back with another Minecraft episode. And last time we worked on that magical human being. I love it. Anyways, let's walk through the path. And yes, it's a little tight, but it looks adorable. I love it so much. Oops. Anyway, so there's that. Oh, I should make like a little path. Thank you, ma'am. And then over here, I can use the bush right here. Anyways, we are gonna add some lights up and about, cause that would be lovely. Cause it gets quite dark at night. Anyways, I am so excited because we are going to be working on more stuff today. I just posted a video like a couple days ago, so you guys probably didn't already write what you guys wanted me to build, but I'll just roll with it because I will be doing, body, I'm more than my body. Da, 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 da. Anyways, I need behinds. Body, I'm more than my body. Da, 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 da. Okay. I am gonna be moving around, so hold the phone. Anyways, the reason why I'm so excited this time is because we are gonna be working on what was it? Oh, a dog place. That's what it was. Anyways, that's the reason why I'm excited. Again, I don't know where I'm gonna build it. I think right here would be cute, but that's not where I'm gonna build it. I'm gonna build it right here and make 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I'll break. Perfect. Anyways, that's what it is. Now we just have to build an area. The theme is this polished basalt, whatever it's called. Anyways, I am excited to get it done and over with so we can start spawning the doggos. I am truly excited for this because I just think it's going to be magnificent. Body, I'm more than my body. And it's gonna be full of doggos. Is that close? Yeah, that's the closest thing. Perfect. Now we just need to figure out if we want this as our ground or this. I'm doing that. It's not going to be big because I don't want it big. I just want a couple doggos. And as time goes on, I'll be naming the doggos of my subscribers. I got 4 right now, but as the time goes on, like I said before, I'll be naming them after my subscribers in case you didn't hear me. But anyways, I am actually quite happy to make... I'm happy to cut... This way is, for me, is going to be kind of like shoutouts. I'll do that. If you comment on my videos, I'll name you a dog for sure. But yeah. And I quite enjoy this, actually. I like recording and talking to you guys even though you aren't here. I just picture how beautiful and handsome you guys are, and how you guys are so nice. And even though you might not like my channel, you guys who actually stayed is still probably not watching it, but you still stay subscribed. It doesn't matter if you unsubscribe. If you don't like my content, I'm truly sorry. If you give me suggestions, I'll try new stuff out. I'll even start doing blogs if you guys like that type of stuff, just so you guys are happy. But for now, I will be doing the normal stuff like Minecraft. I'll try doing Roblox again and Among Us, but Among Us hasn't been working for when I talk, so that's only a slight issue. So I've been editing a new video of Among Us, and I'll post that after I'm done posting this one, because when I play Minecraft, I don't edit stuff because I'm way too sick of, I'm too bored, and I don't like editing a lot. So yeah. So that's the reason why most of my videos is not edited. But I probably won't start editing either because I just think it's kind of pointless to me. Because I would rather keep the original. But the only reason why I'm editing the Among Us is because, again, because you can't hear my voice when I talk. So I'll be adding some comments. And since I won't, you can't hear my voice while I talk in Among Us, I'm putting music in, so you can just listen to music and watch it. It's not much, but at least it's something. As for other stuff, just leave comments and I'll start doing more different stuff as long as you guys are happy and good at choosing stuff and is free, because I don't want to be spending more money than I have to. Because I am just high schooler, I don't have a job, nor will I get a job anytime soon, till like in 2 years or something like that, because I'm only 14. Anyways, now enough talk about me, let's just start torching up this place because it's actually quite dark. No, I accidentally broke it. Okay, I have to fix my window. I didn't even do anything. Shh. Da, da. Oh, and comment down some music ideas so when I have to edit my videos and put music in, if I don't talk or anything, you guys will have stuff you guys like to listen to. And of course, I'll try and pick the best one, something not inappropriate, but something still good and is actually worth doing. Okay, now that I'm done with that topic, let's just keep working on this. I am, again, truly excited to get this done and over with, just so we could move on to probably more fun stuff, actually, because I kind of think just building and stuff, since I don't do it like a fast pace, because I'm quite slow at it, is kind of boring. But anyways, this will be the dog room. So now I just need to do this. Oh, if I place a carpet on it, will it? Cool. Now that we have that done, I'm going to get the fence. And since, nope. Okay, cool. That actually looks semi-nice, kind of. And then, okay. I'm sorry, guys. I stopped talking for a little bit. But anyways, I'm sorry, guys. I am still a bit drowsy and tired, and I have to call my mom over in a little because I need to do my schoolwork. But I just wanted to get a video in for you guys, just so you guys have something to watch, even though, yeah, you know how it goes. Anyways, wolves. Let's look up bone. Because first I need a bones to tame the wolves. And wolf. Cool. And I'm going to try and figure out how to do, what is it called? Do a, mods. Only because I feel like if I just do normal Minecraft, it gets a bit boring. And I'm sure you guys would not want to watch that because, yeah, just because. Anyways, I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. I finally found the glowstone, but now I just need to find the carpet. I think I did a gray carpet. Yes, sir. Now it's all bright in here, but one thing is, what I have to do is now spawn the dogs. And of course, I'm excited for that, only because it's doggos. Oh God, my phone. Oh. Okay, guys, I'll just spawn them, tame them, and then I'll be done with the video because my phone is almost dead. And we all know how we all hate phones dead while you're trying. Hey, dog, just finish it. Oh, sit. Thanks. We all know how we hate when phones die on us when we're trying to do something. And of course, it has to be with me. Okay, let's get you a mama. No. Okay, you need a mama too. Oh! Oops. No! I messed up! Oh, sheesh. Body, I'm more than my body. Well, that's not how I wanted it to go. Where are you, little pup? No! I need you to sit. Cool. Now that we end this video, while I'm trying to find the missing piece so I could block them in, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell thing, and stay tuned for the next video of me building this enchanted house. Anyways, guys, I love you. Have a great day, and see you next time. Bye!